Hey, what's up traders? Before you get into this video, we're running a contest for everybody who likes, comments, and to subscribe to my channel. We're gonna choose a winner at the end of the month, give you free access to my training academy, or if you're already a member of the academy, then a free strategy session with me, 30-minute phone call, get ironed out whatever part of your trading game you need help with, and yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna choose a winner at the end of the month, and enjoy the video. Thanks for your support. Peace. Hey, what's up traders? It's March 2nd, 2020, and this is our gold and silver precious metals market update. And we haven't really had too much movement since our weekly outlook video yesterday. But the thing is this 1588 level is coming into play very, very strongly. So this was the big sell-off at the end of the week last week, Friday, that just destroyed a lot of traders. And we bounced back up above this 1588 level. And so this is significant because of, if you haven't seen my last video, this is where the 61.8 Fibonacci level is. You can't see it on the, you can see it on the daily. And this is, we really need to, whether we close above, like well above, you know, back above 1600, or if we close back below here, say 1570, then that would be very, very bearish. But until then, you know, it's kind of not really up in the air, but you know, the market is consolidating right now. So the thing is we saw a huge recovery in stocks today, but you know, gold really held its ground, you know, but it doesn't have to say too much because there for a while, gold and stocks were moving up at the same time. So as far as it being such a risk-off asset, it didn't really come into play. But we really have to break below this pennant formation here to really see some downside in gold. And then if that does happen, you know, of course we will have this trend line to contend with, and I think we would come in around like 1511, somewhere along that line. And this is the consolidation from that we broke out of at Christmas. And from this pattern, where I really liked. So the 61.8 of that move is at 1518, and the 50% is 1504, and somewhere around there would be our downside target, I would think, which is really close to this moving average, which would be about 1484. So somewhere in that range, but we really have to break down below the area we're at now. So the opposite side of that is if we don't, then, you know, we're back on the road to 1700, 1750, where I think we're ultimately going, and probably higher. So that's what I think about gold. Not too much movement, but really if you're trading it, be careful right now and wait to see, because we had a bit of a fake out. This thing dropped today, 1570, and found a lot of buyers. So that's pretty strong bullish sign for gold. Silver, very similar. You know, we retested the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. So from this low down here to the high, the 61.8 of that move, 61.8% of that move is, you know, 1630, 1640. And so this is some 1630. So very, very strong level of support here. My question looking at silver is, like, do we stay in this level where we've been at, or do we break down and then move to retest some of these lower levels, which would be like, you know, the 78.6, and ultimately down here 14.8, 14.7. And man, I I hope that happens, you guys, because then that's going to make an excellent entry for another leg higher. So we'll see if it starts to pick up some legs here. We have some kind of big momentum, but if we bounce up to this level that I have written here in my graph, my chart, 1716. I'd like to be a buyer up there, 1716, 1720, or I'd like to be a seller right there. It would create a really good scenario, seller rally. So, but with it being in the middle right here, personally, I'm staying away from it. I'm not trading it in the middle because there's not really a clear direction or clear signal. And so, in my opinion, that's a recipe for trouble. I think you should wait between silver and gold. Wait till it's more against some structure and some good entries, and the direction is much more clear. And tomorrow's turnaround Tuesday, so it'll probably, we'll get a lot more direction for sure in the markets tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. That's my outlook in the metals market, and I will see you in the VIP chat room. And if you're not there, if you want to learn how to trade silver, trade gold, trade Forex, and actually be able to do solid technical analysis, click the links below. I'll show you how. Peace.